Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and this is a Suzuki Bandit 1200. Great bikes are the 1200. Super muscle style engine, great pulling power, really comfortable seats on these. This one's a 2006 06 Renfrew bars, 10,954 miles it's done. Yeah, as we all know, bulletproof engines, but anything does go wrong, minimum 3 months warranty from Jordanbikes itself regardless. Let me just show you the displays there. Digital on the right hand side showing you miles per hour, and then the standard analog on the left. ABS on these, you got some billet reservoirs there as well. Apart from the tinted screen on the front, this is how you'd buy it from the factory itself, and like I say, they're an absolute fantastic bike to own. So if you're looking to do the miles and have a great bike itself, this is the bike for you. In order to get it bought, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a call. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call. We can send that to you. We offer finance as well. Finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.